There once was a hippo with hiccups who couldn't stop doing his hiccups. He'd hiccup and bounce, then hiccup and pounce. His tummy would ripple and stick up. He tried drinking water upside down. He held his breath till he turned brown. He ate a spoon of sugar, which made him even huger, but still those hiccups wouldn't drown. Then his friend, a tiny mouse, snuck up and yelled, "This is my house! My house!" The hippo jumped so high, he almost touched the sky. And when he landed, hiccups out, wow, wow!
Oh no, not again!